This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying fan CFM and matching duct diameter. The point of venting affects performance. Once confirmed, mark the center line from the fan housing to the soffit and choose the shortest, straightest route. Make the first access cut in the ceiling near the fan, not at the soffit, and remove insulation only where needed. Use a drill to create a pilot hole toward the soffit so you can transfer the location externally. This prevents blind guessing and preserves insulation elsewhere. Now run the insulated rigid or semi-rigid duct toward the soffit, keeping runs straight and minimizing bends. You want airflow efficiency. Once duct reaches the soffit hole, slide on the soffit boot and secure it to framing or supplied blocking. Make sure the boot sits flush against the underside of the soffit. Seal all duct joints with foil tape, then mechanically clamp them. Don't rely on tape alone. Install a backdraft damper at the fan end, so outside air cannot flow back into the system. You finish by reinstalling any displaced insulation and sealing the soffit boot perimeter with exterior-grade caulk to prevent moisture and pests. Once sealed, run the fan and verify airflow exits at the soffit. Listen for rattles that indicate loose duct or an improperly seated damper. If airflow is weak, first check for kinks, excessive bends, incorrect duct diameter, or a stuck damper. Make sure all connections are tight and taped. If noise or leakage persists, adjust clamps, replace short sections, and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.